Want to recover your end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, open the Messenger app and go to the Chat section. Tap the three bars in the top left corner and then the Settings icon. Next, go to Privacy and Safety, then select End-to-End Encryption. Open Message Storage and enable Secure Storage by setting a PIN. Once enabled, your chats are securely stored. Now, go back to Settings and scroll down to Account Center. Tap Your Information, then select Download Your Information. Choose Download or Transfer Information, and under Specific Types of Information, select Messages. Click Next, then choose Download to Device. Select your date range, format, and media quality. Finally, tap Create File. Once your file is ready, you'll receive a notification at the email linked to your Facebook account. Open the page to download the file, which will include all your encrypted Messenger chats. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. If this helped, tap like, share, and subscribe for more Messenger tips.